So you have an Amazon Fire TV and you have an issue with the remote. Maybe the remote is only has one button working or several buttons working, or maybe it's like ghosting or it's like super slow or laggy, or maybe when you try to move to the right, it takes like a few seconds or whatnot. I'm gonna show you guys, get you up and running. Now the thing is, this trick here is only gonna work for 50% of you guys, all right? So first thing I want you to do is this. With your TV on, I want you to go ahead and directly pull the power plug right from the socket, okay? Wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, I want you to plug it back in. And then go ahead and turn your TV on. Hopefully the power button works. If the power button doesn't work, then you have a power button somewhere on the TV as well, okay? Now wait for the TV to boot up and then see if your remote is working. Okay, so the TV is just about booted back up. So from here, go ahead and see if it's working, okay? If it's not, then we're gonna go to the next solution. So for this next thing we're gonna do here is, first thing we're gonna take out the battery. So flip it over and you see this little arrow, it's pointing this way. So what I'm gonna do is just slide this back plate off. What we're gonna do is pop the batteries out, okay? Take out the batteries. Now, with the batteries out, you have the power button up here. I want you to press and hold the power button for like 15 seconds, okay? So just keep on holding to the power button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go. Now what we want to do is we want to spam every single button on here, okay? So with the batteries out, what I want you to do is just start pressing every single button on here, okay? Because what typically happens is if one of the buttons is like jammed or stuck, or maybe you got, maybe it's stuck or jammed because you have lotion in there, soda or coffee or sweat or whatnot. So just keep spamming. Left, right, up, down, navigation, Alexa, power button, everything, okay? And now give it a couple of whacks. Now, go ahead and pop in your batteries. Make sure it's in correctly. Don't put the back plate on yet. Just go ahead and pop it in. And now, go ahead and see if your remote is now working, okay? The way that it should. Now, the thing is, if it's not working, then do this second step again, okay? Again, remember, pop out the batteries and then press and hold this power button. Hold it for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, let go and spam every single button again, okay? Just go crazy with it. Get everything unstuck, every single button on here, okay? Even the navigation. Then give it a couple of whacks. Pop the batteries back in and then try again. If you're still down, try this second step like maybe at least another 2 more times, okay? Anyway, like I said, this will help probably about maybe 50, maybe 60% of you guys. So if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up and let me know, or let us know if this worked for you, okay? If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should have at least a 50-50, maybe a 60-40, okay? Good luck, guys.